Me a word on this about a month ago. And, in these last days, the Lord is pouring out his spirit, not only for a revival, but for a confrontation. As demonic activity increases across the earth, God is raising up a remnant who will walk in that authority, in that purity, and the fire of the Holy Spirit. And these are not passive believers, these are active warriors equipped to cast out devils, to break chains, to set captives free. I mean, Jesus said that casting out demons would be a sign that follows who believes his name. This wasn't just for the early church, it is for right now. And the outpouring of the Spirit is talked about in the end times. It's not for just speaking in tongues or for prophecy, but it is for spiritual war. It is for empowering his people to confront unclean spirits, to dismantle strongholds, expose the work of darkness, even in the church. It is true deliverance. And it doesn't come from emotionalism or man's methods. It comes from the Spirit of the living God operating through surrendered vessels that are obedient. Because deception, possession is spreading rampant. And it's only those who are obedient that truly believe. You're not going to do anything if you have any doubt about what you are or who is within you. It's for the anointed church that is obedient, who has surrendered and that does not doubt. Their faith is rock solid and they stand with boldness and they can do whatever they want. They can move mountains if they truly believe. This is not a side ministry. It is a frontline kingdom work. It's part of the end times harvest.